Imagine yourself in this 2002 Infiniti i35 Luxury. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle's top features include 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-way power adjustable passenger seat, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, clock, analog and compass. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.